Hello folks, welcome back. Almost daily vlog at MX5 Restorer. Friday afternoon today, and I was supposed to be on holiday, but the weather's crap, so I thought I might as well come in and I'll have Monday off instead. So, right, let's have a look at what we've got in the car park. Won't be that much to talk about because some things have already left. That Mark III there was an underseal. That was on the ramp, Ash's ramp, I believe, yesterday. So that's done. Yeah, a little bit rusty, that one, but we've done what the customers asked for, so that's that. The red one at the back there, that was the one that came in with a slight running issue. Plugs and leads solved that. That one, the black one, is waiting to have a roof done and a power steering rack, actually, because strangely the effort to turn left is far greater than the effort to turn right. Never had that before, it's a new one. I've got the Tweedmobile in. This one now is leaving because that wasn't owned by us. I don't know if I've mentioned that. That was owned by a friend of ours, and they've decided to keep it now. So that's kind of good because we'd like to go to a few meets with them. So that'd be nice. No one's actually asked yet, or they might have done by the time this video goes out. That's our Le Mans. We've been cracking on with that. Be done soon, I expect. Anyway, Ash, how are you getting on with 176?
Yeah, a bit more. It's had a bath.
What, a natural bath? Or have you actually cleaned it?
No, that is actually clean.
Oh, okay, not a natural bath.
There's a lot less greenery in it than there was.
Oh yeah, here's looking better, isn't it? Okay, so you're taking these damaged bits off the back.
Yeah, see make sure it's all good behind.
Alright, well we suspect it is, don't we? We've seen a little kink there, but
yeah,
on the lower panel, but we think it's okay. Alright, and then what, polish it, find out what needs painting?
Yeah.
Cool. Roy's got a day off. This is that one with the Rocketeer V6 in it. Very, very nice. We approve. So the got a replacement bumper on there, so that'll be going off to paint next week. Let's go and see Chris. Chris been making a mess.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning my floor. Because I'm old, can't be bothered to get on all fours. So I've just sort of put some brake clean and a bit of fancy footwork.
Right, so what have you done on this one?
I just repaired an oil leak, really, which was one of these pipes that went to the oil cooler. So just spent the morning taking it off, trying to find another pipe, then discovering an AN pin was leaking, and then end up wanting to fit back into place right, and then get it back in.
Seems about right.
Yeah. So not leaking now. I'm clearing up the mess, and then
That's it.
I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing now. I'll probably start the autos or something like that. Start another job, which we'll see next time.
Bye.
Alright, see you later. Have a good weekend.
So Grant has got chassis rails finished on this one. Hello, Grant. Yeah, chassis rails finished on this one. Ball joint dust covers. Then it went over for MOT, and we've done some works associated with that, which are wipers, one of the rear drop links, and rear pad spring clips, wasn't it? Yeah. That's it. So that's now going to be cleaned, ready to collect tomorrow. Great. Thanks, Grant. Yeah, I don't know, it might not be weekend when this goes out. Probably won't go out on a Friday, will it? I'll be lucky if it does. Alright, so thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.